Today we are going to learn how to spell different birds' name in our channel, Papa Kids Object Learning. Shall we go? Curlew, C-U-R-L-E-W, curlew. Darter, D-A-R-T-E-R, darter. Drongo, D-R-O-N-G-O, drongo. Dunlin, D-U-N-L-I-N, Dunlin. Egret, E-G-R-E-T, egret. Finch, F-I-N-C-H, finch. Flamingo, F-L-A-M-I-N-G-O, flamingo. Flycatcher, F-L-Y-C-A-T-C-H-E-R, flycatcher. Frigate bird, F-R-I-G-A-T-E-B-I-R-D, frigate bird. Gala, G-A-L-A-H, gala. Gannet, G-A-N-N-E-T, gannet. Goshawk, G-O-S-H-A-W-K, goshawk. Grebe, G, re, e, b, e, grebe. Greenfinch, G, R, E, E, N, F, I, N, C, H, greenfinch. Grosbeak, G, R, O, S, B, E, A, K, grosbeak. Please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell button.